Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new turning to this channel for the first time, you guys are welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in to this channel. I really appreciate every one of you here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a contact lens like a pro, and this is how the contact pack is looking like. It came with the picker, the fixer. It also came with the eye drop in case you have any issue with your eye after removing the contact lens. It also came with the contact solution. Can you see? This is the big pack. It also came with the contact lens case. So please stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of doing this lovely contact lens, as in to fix it like a professional. So here I have another product. It's a contact fresh tone. Can you see? This one is also fresh look, and it's the same thing with the big pack I showed you. And this is the one we're actually fixing. Is onion color. Can you see? Please let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching this video, and if the video is helpful, please go ahead and give the video a very big thumbs up. So guys, first thing, you need to wash your hand. If you want to fix the contact lens, make sure you fix your hand thoroughly. After that, you go ahead and this is the tools I'll be using. The fixer, you go ahead and you open the contact lens. So you remove it. This is how the contact lens is looking like, the one we want to fix right now. So you just go ahead and use your picker to pick it and place it on the fixer. So when you place it on the fixer, you're ready to go. Can you see, guys? So make sure you use the contact solution to clean it thoroughly before fixing, so that you don't have any issue with your eye. Can you see, guys? So now you use your picker to place it on top of the fixer, and here right now I'm having the fixer with me with the contact lens. So you use your hand to expand your client's eyes. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then you use the picker to fix it. Please, it's more hygienic using this picker than you using your hand. Can you see? Then you ask your clients just to roll the eyeball and you're done. Can you see, guys? It takes like 5 seconds. Then you ask your client to roll the eyeball to know if the thing is fixed properly, and you're done. So guys, this is the final look of the contact lens. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy watching. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.